headache. Okay, so today y'all are going to be learning how to cite your sources for your research project. Okay, so y'all need to take out some notes because you are not going to remember all of this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to cite your sources from a book in MLA format first. Okay, the first thing is that you need to have his last name, or your author's last name. And then you need to have a comma, his first name, and then a period. So let's say your person is Henry David Thoreau. What would you put first?
Thoreau.
And then a
comma.
And then
Henry.
And
period.
Good. Okay, the next part will be the title. You need to make sure to underline it and put a period at the end. So let's say that your chosen work is Walden. What do you need to do?
Underline.
And put a
period.
Good. The next part is the published place. That's where it was published. Well, let's say Walden was published in Boston. Well, at the end, you need to put, as you can see, a colon. Good. The next part would be a published company. And in this case, it's Houghton Mifflin Company. As you can see here, I did something different. I put a hanging indentation, which is really important if you go into the second line. Okay, after that, you need to put a comma and put the copyright year, which in this case is 2004. And then what do you put at the end?
A period.
Good. Okay, now let's make this a little bit quicker and easier. I will show you Bibme, which will help you do it electronically. Google Jockey, can you please pull up Bibme and show us how to use it?
Why, yes ma'am, I can. I can do that for you right now.
Bibme is a site that actually helps you cite your resources each year. Instead of having to look up stuff all over Soviet Russia, you can just go to the internet, to the Google homepage, and type in bibme.com or Bibme. It's really your choice. After you clicking on the link, you can search tons of stuff, and it will bring you up pretty much anything that is associated with a book, a magazine, a newspaper, website, journals, and films, or other, basically anything that is associated with your topic. So, in this example, we're going to use the famous Lord Byron. Not Lord Byron, Lord Byron. B-Y-R-O-N. Byron. Yeah, Byron. Then you click Find Book. After finding a piece of work that you would like to use, such as this one, you go to the green Select button, like so, scroll down to My Bibliography, and then it will cite it in an MLA fashion, such as this one. I'm not qualified to go to university. Such as this one, or this one. They're both the same, because I used this earlier. But I figured you guys wanted something new and fresh. Not test SRV, that's not new and fresh. That's old for old people. In an MLA format, or an APA format, or Chicago, or Caribbean.
Thank you, Google Jockey, for showing us that. Okay, now make sure that whenever you go onto Bibme and you use any information from that, make sure that it's in MLA format and that it's correct. Okay, so class, you're dismissed.
Wow, Bibme is so cool. It makes citing your sources a lot easier.
I know, right? It makes this project just a little bit easier.
Thanks for showing me.
Just a little bit, though. No problem, though. But as long as you can help me with my Spanish homework.
Come on. Let's go.
So, like, come on as in you're going to help me and I should go this way?
So, come on.
Come back!